a.m. I left New Jersey. No idea what to expect, but I thought anything is better than the gray skies of Newark and the smell of the beer cans and the cigarettes. My Datsun bit it by the time I got to Washington, and I admitted my defeat. I sat and cried on the steps of the Capitol, and someone took a picture of me. Will I end up in Time magazine? American Portrait gonna write. And if I end up in Time magazine, well, how will I explain why a young man wearing beat-up jeans, empty guitar case at his feet, he says, "Hey man, spare $1 for a pretty tune. See, my throat is dry from all this heat." He sings Suburbia, it wasn't a bad way to go. In fact, I think it bought me some time, but a bad deal and a bad relationship and a bad hit of acid left me half blind. I let some years consume me. I took the whole world through me, but I came out the other side. I searched for God in meetings, got me psychic reading. She told me this is my time. She said I'd end up in Time magazine, that I'd become a great big star. And you know, when you're in Time magazine, well, everyone knows who you are. A young woman wearing army fatigues, a crying baby at her hip. She says, "Excuse me, ma'am, spare $1 for a hungry child. See, her daddy's gone now, and I'm sick." She says, "I wear these clothes because they still smell like him. been so